SpriCAD for AutoCAD and BricsCAD version 5. Calculation of sprinkler systems combined with hydrant systems. Menu item, enter hydrant. Open an existing drawing from a sprinkler system. A hydrant system is now to be supplied with 400 liters per minute by the main distribution pipe. At the beginning, draw the supply pipe to the hydrant system in the desired dimension on the main distribution pipe and set the SpriCAD hydrant symbol at his end. Deactivate hydrant symbol for calculation at first. Change the input values of the hydrant symbol in the symbol dialog or in the properties. In the following example, the operation area 2 is ready for calculation. We start the calculation. The result shows pressure and water rate at the feed-in point for operation area 2. Activate the hydrant symbol in operation area 2 and it's now available for calculation. Any object description can also be stored in the dialog. This is displayed on the object. Start now a second calculation. The required water quantity of the hydrant system is now included in the calculation. You can see that in the calculation result. Here, the final comparison. You can watch the following innovations in other videos: the floor management, the merging of files, cover area with sprinklers. Check our website and get your 14 days demo version free of charge as a full version.